Hey there, YouTube. Unwanted Yaz here, and today I will be opening up the final 10 of the 2015 Hoenn starter tins, and my man Swampert EX, which is the most underrated wild Pokemon out of like the Hoenn, because this guy is a complete tank. He could be a sweeper, especially his Mega Evolve Pokemon, if you know how to use him right. Mainly, I would suggest using him with Pokemon like Palpito that has like Rain Dish or anything. Because his Swift Swim ability with his bulkiness is a sweeper. And also, since he's a water ground type, he only has one weakness, which is grass, which is very, very weak too. Grass is double super effective against it, which is pretty good, you know, considering that not that many people use grass attacks. Alright, here is Swampert EX, which has 180 HP with Mud Flood and Hydro Tackle. Set that to the side. And you get the same 4 boosters. 2 Roaring Skies, a Furious Fist, and a Primal Clash. Hopefully we get some luck in this. I guess a 3-starter Pokemon don't like me. Alright, here's your Furious Fist online TCG code card. Alright, 3 from the back. Alright, let's start with Clefable, Elemental Fairies, Jaw Fossil, Vigoroth, Makuhita, Gothita, Magmar, underrated Pokemon as well, Pikachu, Pancham, Skorupi, and a rare is Drapion, which is I pretty much like Drapion, to be honest. Pretty good. You don't find many good poison type Pokemon, to be honest. Alright, Primal Clash is next. Alright, this is the online TCG code card. 3 from the back. And we got a Buffalant. How does Taurus not evolve into this Pokemon? I don't know. Game Freak must have messed up over there. Energy Retrieval, Celio, Volbeat, Spheal, Staryu, Clamperl. I forgot about this Pokemon. Bunnelby. And okay, and Bunnelby was our, oh no, never mind. Bunnelby is our reverse. That is an ancient trait card. And our rare is Kingdra. Yep. So far, our slump is bad. Real bad. Hopefully the Roaring Skies can at least help us out a little bit. Here is the one of the 2 Roaring Skies TCG code card. 3 from the back. Okay, first card is Healing Scarf. Executor. I wonder if they're gonna do a lone Executor, like one of like the new packs that are coming out. Steven. Execute. Tailo. I don't understand how Tailo only evolves 1 time. Like all the other flying evolutions evolve 2 times, except for Talos and Swallow. Sucks. Electric. Bagon. Fletchling. A reverse Dunsparce. And the rare is a Swallow. He definitely needs another evolution. Sheesh. Alright, my last pack of Roaring Skies. We're at 3 from the back. Everybody tell me what's going on over here, at least. God damn. Ninjask. Got a Shogun. Galley Spirit Link. Got a Nato. Inkay. Dratini. Halucha. Like very original Pokemon right there. Like a Lucha Libre. Cascoon. Reverse is a Shuppet. And Altaria Ancient Trait Rare. Sucks. Would you like to conclude everything by saying what we have? What we managed to pull, which is this Swampert EX. Which is also the same, I believe this is the same Swampert EX you get in like the Mega Swampert Premium Collection. Which also Mega Blaziken, you also had a Mega Blaziken Premium Collection. But unfortunately, Sceptile didn't get Premium Collection. Which is my favorite. Well, at least Sceptile got a full art card. And a Mega Full Art. That's good. Alright. Thank you guys thank you for watching the video. And I'll be back soon.